Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate gold in Oblivion. First, you'll need to understand that you can't directly duplicate gold coins. Instead, we'll focus on duplicating valuable items, which you can then sell to merchants for a substantial profit. This technique is a classic and widely used method, allowing players to amass wealth quickly and efficiently. It's a simple trick that can greatly enhance your gameplay experience, providing you with virtually unlimited funds for equipment, spells, and training. The scroll duplication method is quite straightforward once you understand the mechanics. You'll need at least 2 scrolls of the exact same type in your inventory. The trick relies on a timing-sensitive action. Selecting the scrolls, then quickly dropping the item you want to duplicate. This brief window allows the game to misinterpret your actions, resulting in multiple copies of your chosen item. It's a clever exploit that has been a staple for many players seeking to gain an advantage. Before you begin duplicating, some preparation is key. First, gather at least 2 identical scrolls. Any type will work, but having more can sometimes make the process smoother. Next, select a high-value item from your inventory that you wish to multiply. Think about items like expensive armor, weapons, or precious jewels, as these will yield the most gold when sold. Finally, make sure you have ample carrying capacity to pick up all the duplicated items. Now for the execution. Open your inventory and navigate to your scrolls. Select the stack of 2 or more identical scrolls, but do not cast them. While the scroll selection menu is still active, quickly switch to the item you wish to duplicate and drop it. Close your inventory immediately after dropping the item. If done correctly, you will find numerous copies of your chosen item on the ground, ready for you to collect and sell for a massive gold influx.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.